Hi everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I'm here to tell you that the people who work at Baker facilities are not your friends. So I've had a number of cases where I was retained to secure somebody's release, and in the middle of this somebody from the Baker facility called my client and said, listen, if you sign this documentation your loved one will be out the next day. And they went ahead and signed it. And then I found it after the fact. And I said to the client, listen, you hired me. I'm your lawyer. Why would you ever sign documentation without consulting with me? And, the client's response was, well, I got this really friendly call from this very nice person. They said they were here to help me. They wanted to see my loved one go home and be well. And they said if I just signed this documentation, they'd be coming out in a couple of days. And I said, well, based on what you've told me, the documentation you signed is documentation for voluntary admission. What does that mean? It means that they automatically got another 24 hours to hold your loved one, and until they revoke your consent, guess what? That 24 hours is going to continue to roll over. And the facility loves that. Why? Well, because then they don't have to go to court and prove that your loved one meets criteria. Okay? It's a way to sort of pull a fast one and get your loved one to stay legally, right, without them even having to go to court, without a judge knowing what's going on. Okay? That is not voluntary consent. That's coerced consent, and it's illegal. And so when you're dealing with the Baker Act facility, okay, however friendly they may seem, okay, if your loved one is stuck there, they are not your friends. You need to consult with a lawyer, like the lawyers on my team who are familiar with Chapter 394, which is the Baker Act statute, who have dealt with these facilities, who put the fear of God into these facilities, and who's willing to fight these facilities in court in front of a judge to get your loved one released. So if you have any more questions, reach out to me. The phone's on to 24/7. With that said, thanks for tuning in, and until the next video, bye-bye.